Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Honda City Turbo 2 and this is by Hotwheels and this is from their Ultra Hot series. So I'm hoping that it will be full metal, but I'm pretty sure the chassis will be plastic again. So not sure why they didn't do full metal for these. Apart from this, I'm not sure about the Porsche because it looked like this made of full metal, but I didn't buy the Porsche and I bought for some people in my group, but not for myself because there was a lot lying around, so I don't want to buy that. The same thing over and over again. Even this one I didn't want to buy originally, but not this. Sorry, there is one more tuned Volkswagen, I guess, in another. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see how this one actually looks. Okay, so casting wise, honestly, it has a lot of scratches, man. See, you're paying 299 and you're buying this, and it has a lot of scratches. See, the only thing about this is it has this shiny paint job. That's it. So the chassis is actually plastic. So it has only this exhaust detailing, which is really funny. Oh my god. As usual, it has interior detailing and all, but still, they could have just went with a metal chassis. So only the body is made of metal now. So at least they put some detailing for headlights and tail lights as well. So that one part they did good. And the rims are same as the others. There's nothing new here. And it is plastic. So let's do a roll test real quick. No, it rolls okay, but not that good. And if you can see, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. Too much. Okay. Okay, casting wise, it's a good casting. They could have just done a little bit better, to be very honest. Anyway, at some point, I'll just sell this one. That's it. I'm not going to keep these cars anyways because I'm not having any space. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.